stood two friends I didn't know had met, and I knew that night I would not sleep no more. Smiling face, repeated me, the hug, no kiss all night. Four clenched fists and on the four round hips, the four lips that didn't need to speak. And lots of girls make the chair, explain the science here. Those must have bad luck for. Swallowed my head, I changed to make things right. Two more pairs of feet, but go on. And go to its well-deserved rest. But before it's the end, please give me a hand. Love is so solid and strong. I'm gonna be miraculous, we agree. Two more pairs of feet, but go on. To watch a girl in the chair, explain as I swear. Yours must have been the time. Two more pairs of feet above the wall. Two more pairs of feet above the wall. Two more pairs of feet above the wall. Les Canadiens de Wanted+Just.
Late one night, lying peaceful in my bed, there came a knock upon my door. There stood two friends I didn't know had met, and I knew that night I would not sleep no more. No smiling face greeted me, no hug, no kiss upon my cheek. Just four clenched fists set on four round hips, and four lips that didn't need to speak. So watch the girls take a chair, explain this I swear. Those must have bad, but let me talk. Just while I thought I might have a chance to make things right, two more pairs of feet come up the walk. The smile on my face never faltered, though I admit in my heart there was doubt. Kept a set lamb on the altar till inspiration came to help me out. I said, darling, you look mighty good tonight, and baby, you've been on my mind. And you're the honey pie, you're the apple of my eye, and sugar, you're my dream of womankind. Then I said, girls, take the chair, I'll explain this, I swear. Oh, this must be bad, but let me talk. Just while I thought I might have make things right. Two more pairs of feet come up the walk. I looked round for a means of escape, but my wicked web of lies held me fast. I felt the sweat on the back of my neck. I knew this chance was gonna be my last. I said, girls, don't you cry, but I feel this is goodbye, as I clutched my hands to my breast. But an overloving heart must one day burst apart and go to its well-deserved rest. But before it is the end, please forgive me if you can. Love is always solid as a ball. Just why I started the miraculous recovery. Two more pairs of feet come up the wall. So I said, girls, take the chair, I'll explain this, I swear. Though this must have bad, let me talk. Just blindfolded might have a chance to make things right. Two more pairs of feet come up the wall. Two more pairs of feet come up the wall. Two more pairs of feet come up the wall.